Yes. So, welcome to the session, Mahalakshmi. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Thank you for asking. I'm so glad to meet you here, ma'am. And thank you so much for accepting my request, ma'am.
I'm also really excited to talk to you. So, tell me, how was your day?
My day, it has been fully occupied, ma'am. I had three sessions today, and this is my fourth one. And I'm fully occupied, and I really feel happy for that. And I enjoy myself while doing conversations. And I really get close to each other, ma'am. So I think this is the platform we actually meet and get close to each other. I really thank this platform.
Yes. That's lovely to know. So, you love interacting with people every
Yes,
day.
ma'am. Every day is. Sometimes when I get chance and I don't say no to anyone, ma'am, and like that, when I ask someone, they also don't say no, ma'am. So I use that opportunity to interact with everyone.
Okay. Okay. So, there are so many things we are going to discuss today, but let's start with the introduction. So, I'll
Okay.
go first. My name is Meenu. I am an English communication coach and content creator from Delhi. So, I was born and raised in Delhi. Apart from that, I'm a proud mother of two beautiful children, and I love interacting with people. I love helping them learn spoken English. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying my YouTube journey, and I have been teaching spoken English on YouTube for 4 years now, and I am really loving it. So, yeah, that's all about me. So, would you
Super,
please
ma'am.
introduce yourself?
Yes. Yes, I am Mahalakshmi. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. And I'm mom to two lovely daughters, angels. And I was a lecturer and a banker for a couple of years. Recently, I have started my YouTube channel to improve my English speaking skills, ma'am, to interact with everyone, to interact with others. And I'm gaining confidence and courage by this platform, ma'am. And I
Wow,
did my
lovely
master's
to
in
know.
engineering in computer science department.
Mhm.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay. You are from Tamil Nadu. You were born
Tamil
and
Nadu.
raised in Tamil Nadu?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, I have never been to Tamil Nadu. What advice would you give to a person who has never been to Tamil Nadu? Can you tell me three places where a person who has never been to Tamil Nadu can visit?
Yes, we have so many places, ma'am, here. If you are a spiritual oriented person, you can visit so many temples. We have temple cities. And if you are, if you want to enjoy the nature, you can choose some forest range, ma'am. Here we have some mountains like Ooty, Kodaikanal, some temple cities like Tanjavur, the Kumbakonam. We have so many Lord Shiva temples, Lord Murugan temples, Lord Vishnu temples. And based
Okay.
on your interest, you can choose, ma'am. We have plenty of things here. So anyone can come and visit and they can get the number of opportunities, ma'am, to explore the new things.
So, I'm a beach person. Tell me a beautiful beach that is in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, in Chennai, we have Marina Beach, Besant Nahar Beach, and you can come there and, yes, ma'am, enjoy there. Santom,
Marina Beach, I've also heard. Marina Beach is quite famous, right?
quite famous. It's very large, ma'am, and is Santom Beach. And if you want to just sit somewhere at a peace, you can go to Besant Nahar Beach or Santom Beach. If you want to mingle with other people, and if you want to see crowds and the kids playing and want to explore new things, some new games, you can visit Marina Beach.
Okay.
And you can
Okay.
even travel along the ECR road, ma'am, to just get the views from the road. It's a
Okay.
long drive. We can make long drive in that ECR.
Okay. So, is Marina Beach close to your house
No, ma'am,
or
we
very
are
far
just
from it?
600 kilometers, 600 kilometers or 700 kilometers
Oh.
away from Marina Beach. It's in
Okay. Okay.
Chennai.
Okay.
We are in Coimbatore.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. So tell me, where have you traveled in India? Where all have you traveled in India?
I have been to Delhi and Uttarakhand, Mysore, Bangalore, Somarpet, Mangalore, Kerala, Andhra, Tirupati.
Okay. Wow.
That's all, ma'am. And I haven't been to Mumbai, but I have a plan to go there. That's all,
Okay. You
ma'am.
want to go to Dubai?
No, Mumbai, Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, okay. So
Oh,
you want to go to Mumbai. So Mumbai is on your bucket list, huh?
yes, it's on my bucket list. And I have a
Okay,
plan
okay.
to visit Kenya.
Kenya. Okay.
Kenya. My daughter,
Okay.
she likes, ma'am, she likes animals. So she wants to spot some wild animals there.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So tell me about your family also. You have two daughters?
Yes, ma'am. I have two daughters. My younger one, she's in UKG. Elder one, she's in seventh standard. And
Hmm.
she was the one
So
who encouraged me to start this channel.
the elder one.
Elder one is.
Okay. So when did you quit your job?
Recently, ma'am, before starting this channel, January.
Okay. So how long have you been working on your English?
Ma'am, I did not remember the date or period, ma'am, because when when I was working also, I had a habit of doing some grammar exercise online or reading some books in English, to have a conversation in English with my dad. He doesn't know English, ma'am, but he likes when I speak. So in order to get something from him, I always speak in English with him.
Okay, your father.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. When you speak English, he likes it.
Yes, ma'am. He likes it and he gets me whatever I ask.
Okay. Wow. So he's fascinated with English and he wants you to speak English well.
Yes, ma'am. He actually admires when I speak English. Actually, he loves it, ma'am. He loves it. He actually express, see how she is using that word, how stylish she is pronouncing. Actually, I was speaking in incorrect manner, ma'am, when I was in school or college. But even
Okay.
he likes that very much. He liked that very much.
Okay. Now, since you speak well, he loves it when you speak,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Now I actually, my daughter, she subscribed to my channel in my dad's phone, and she always call my dad and tell, Tata, please see, mom has posted one video. Please see, go through it, like that.
Okay. And your father is also good at English?
He knows, ma'am, the grammar rule, but he doesn't have the opportunity to speak.
Okay. So he understands, but he can't speak much. But when you speak, he loves it because I think since he can't speak well, uh, he loves it when you speak well.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
the reason, right?
Reason is sometimes I have a
Okay.
call from sometimes when I was in my native ma'am, native place. I had a call from my bank or from customer care, or in order to solve some problem, I used to speak in English for customer care, ma'am, through customer care. That time he was just watching and listening my speech.
He's just mesmerized when you are speaking English. When you
Yes,
are speaking English, he is mesmerized, huh?
yes,
He keeps
ma'am, yes,
watching you.
yes.
Okay.
And he used
So,
to ask my brother from where she got this and how is she using this much words? And my brother told
okay.
me once,
So you have a big fan at home, huh?
is my dad.
Yes, biggest fan, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. He likes, even if I do hot water, he says that, wow, what a super hot water she has prepared.
Okay, okay. Hmm. So, and what about your mother?
My mother, she knows, ma'am, about me. She's modest person, ma'am. She knows everything, but she does not speak, ma'am. She knows everything.
Hmm.
She knows all the thing, ma'am. She knows everything what is happening around us, and what is the match today, and it's between whom and where is it play, where is it happening, and who has come to our country, who is the minister, and who is what is the capital of everything she knows, but she will not speak and she will not tell that I know this and all.
Yes, yes. Okay, so you are from Tamil Nadu. Your mother
Yes,
tongue is Telugu
Tamil,
or
Tamil,
Tamil?
ma'am, Tamil.
Tamil. Do you know Hindi?
I don't know Hindi, ma'am. When I was
Okay.
child, I wrote exams up to Madhyama Rashtra Bhasha, ma'am, for Hindi. After that, I hadn't had the opportunity to learn it further.
Okay. I have heard from many people that these Tamil people they learn English but they don't learn Hindi. Though Hindi is the national language, they don't want to learn Hindi, but they learn English.
Not like that, ma'am. I like to learn Hindi, but I feel very, what to say, I feel very pathetic, ma'am. So, in order to learn this English, I have been struggling a lot. So, what will happen when it comes to Hindi? How long will it take to learn that language? So, do I need to put lot of efforts to learn that language? So, it is pacifying. It is actually troubling me, ma'am.
Yes, learning a second language is difficult, and Hindi will be a second language for you. When English has given you such a tough time, then Hindi learning Hindi will also be quite difficult.
Yes. So,
Yes.
yes, after thinking like that, I actually dropped that idea. So, first let me concentrate on English, then let me go to Hindi, and we have the option, ma'am, for my younger one. We can. So, I asked my husband to go for Hindi. So, she would teach us. We no need to go anywhere. She would teach us at home. So, I prefer Hindi for my younger one. So, I asked my husband to choose Hindi.
Okay. So you dropped the idea. That's okay. But most people in Tamil Nadu, they speak either Tamil or English.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
don't know Hindi, right?
Yes, ma'am. They don't. We don't know Hindi. Is
Yes. Yes.
it's a language.
So you speak English quite well. What all did you do to become, I mean, to reach this level of fluency?
Ma'am, I don't waste my time by watching TV or by readings, ma'am. I actually indulge myself in English learning, ma'am. Whenever I come across new things or new sentences, now I'm concentrating on new type of sentences, ma'am, by using would, wouldn't, had, hadn't. So I practice it, ma'am. Before this, I was concentrating on some idioms, vocabulary, phrasal verbs. Now I have transformed myself to the difficult sentences. So when
How
you're
do you
learning,
retain those sentences? Like if you learn a new sentence, how do you retain it? Don't you
ma'am, I
forget
speak.
it the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
day?
No, yes, ma'am. I actually repeat it for 10 times, ma'am.
Yes,
Alone.
yes.
To me alone. I don't say it to anyone. In front of, I go and stand in front of mirror and I have that sentences, ma'am. I have a notepad, ma'am. There I put date and I write the name of the book and I write the sentences, difficult sentences. Now I'm reading some books, ma'am. Before I read Alchemist, ma'am, The Alchemist, in that I
Okay.
had come across so many words, so many sentences, ma'am. So in
Okay.
that notepad, I had written everything, and in front of mirror, I just speak, ma'am.
Okay. Alchemist is a nice book. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Alchemist. Yes, The Alchemist. It's a short
Okay.
book. Yes.
Apart from learning English, what all can we learn from it? I mean, what kind of a book it is?
It is about a boy. It's about a boy, and how strong is he in his desire. He wants to do. He wants to go somewhere, but he had
Yes.
so many difficulties, ma'am. Is how to
Okay.
overcome that difficulty and how to achieve your target.
Okay.
If you are
Hmm.
is if you have that desire to achieve your target, the universe, the belief thing, right, ma'am, God or the spiritual, the universe, it will come to help you.
Right, right. Yes. I
It
have
is
not
about
read the
that,
book, but
ma'am.
yes, I also understand law of attraction. When you really work hard at something and give your 100% to it, then universe works in your favor,
Yes, yes,
right?
Appa, I
Yes.
got goosebumps, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes,
all the energies of the universe help
manifestation.
you in
Yes,
achieving that.
yes, we have to
Yes.
manifest our desire and we have to be consistent in that, ma'am.
Right. So
uh,
have you ever felt that law of attraction worked in your favor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, so many times, so many times. When I don't feel that, when I am somewhat unhappy or sad, ma'am, I go and sit in front of my God and do meditation for half an hour, ma'am. And after that, I don't even know what was my problem.
Okay.
I
Okay.
simply forget everything and concentrate on the new thing, ma'am, and I will concentrate on new things. So I really believe in law of attraction, and I believe that our heart, ma'am, our feelings, our things, they have strong power, ma'am. It has
Right.
strong power. We can achieve everything and anything if we have that good thoughts and that willpower.
You are right. Negative thoughts create negative emotions, positive thoughts create positive emotions. So our
Yes.
thoughts create our emotions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. See, for
Yes.
example, ma'am, my daughter, my younger one, she always wear her shoes in a opposite direction, ma'am. For right leg, left shoes, and the left leg, right shoes. I don't say that you are wearing it wrong. I say her, please wear it correctly.
Okay.
See to that and wear it correctly. My husband, he says that you are wearing wrong. You please change it. But I don't say that you are wearing it wrong. I say you please correct it and wear it correctly.
Okay. Then she does that.
Yes, ma'am, she does that, and now my husband has changed his way of tone, his way of speaking. He also transformed. You please wear it
Okay.
correctly.
Okay.
He has started speaking like, you please wear it correctly.
That's great. That's a positive way, to
Yes,
interact with the child.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
They don't know the negative things, ma'am. They don't know the negative things. They know only the positive things.
Right, right. Their brains are still developing, and we can transform that. If
Yes.
we speak in a positive manner, they will also, start thinking like that.
Yes. I saw your video, ma'am. One teacher was asking, you show me the apple in that. She showed two fruits, ma'am. She asked, show me the apple in that. The kid showed the apple. Then she asked, you show me which is not apple. The kid also showed the apple because
Okay.
she doesn't know which is not apple. She doesn't understand what is meant by not.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So has it happened with you that you manifested something so hard that you really got it?
Yes, ma'am. My job, my bank job. I was damn
Okay.
sure in that. I was 100% sure in that before marriage I would get my job. I was
And
doing
you got it.
that. Yes, ma'am, I got it. Yes, got it.
Great,
But no
great.
one would believe, ma'am, because I was in my village in before 10, 12 years, 13 years, ma'am. That time there was no internet, no broadband connection. We had broadband connection, but after that. But I studied on my own by using books, and I went to Salem, nearly 60 kilometers to write a mock test.
Okay.
So I studied, yes, ma'am. I did very hard and I got it.
Great, great.
Yes,
So that was because of your manifestation and hard work.
hard work is. My younger one, ma'am, even my younger one, she born after 7 years, ma'am. I was praying and I was asking for my elder one, second baby.
Okay.
I had been
Okay.
asking for 7 years, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. For 7 years you manifested, and then you got a baby. You got another baby.
Is 7 years.
Okay. Okay.
2015, I got miscarriage, ma'am. After that, 2020, for 5 years, I was praying, I was manifesting, and I was actually thinking that, okay, I'll get a baby near to me. I will actually make her to sleep. It will happen. This is going to happen. So I was making it as a real one, ma'am.
Okay. But there was some like medical problems because of which you were not able to
Yes,
conceive the
ma'am.
second baby.
Actually, I was
Okay.
not aware of what was the problem.
Okay.
Yes, but
Even then the
everything was
manifestation
solved.
work.
Yes, ma'am. Everything was solved, and I have got my baby. Now she turns 5, ma'am.
Great, great. So
So
your
our
family is
willpower,
complete now.
our thoughts, ma'am. It's actually everything is in our thoughts. We don't need to
Right.
do anything, ma'am. Any other thing. We should have that good thoughts.
Correct, correct. Okay. So what is spirituality in your definition? I mean, what is spirituality in your opinion?
Ma'am, it differs from person to person. According to me, same thing, ma'am. God should he should like to live within me, ma'am. My heart should be that much pure. If I
Yes,
have
yes.
that kind of heart, then I can go anywhere and talk to anyone. I don't need to worry about any fate, ma'am. Fate.
Correct, correct. Okay.
So attaining a position, ma'am. Attaining a position to know who we are and why I have come here. So that is spirituality, ma'am. According to
Wow.
me.
I would also say that we should understand that we are souls and we have come on this earth for a purpose. So
Purpose.
we are not just here to just eat and live, eat and sleep. We are here for a purpose. And unless we serve that purpose, we would be here.
Yes.
So, yes, we have a purpose and we shouldn't hurt any other soul.
Yes.
That's what I feel.
Yes, ma'am. I read,
Yes.
ma'am. I read. We are. Yes, I read. I was watching one podcast, ma'am. In that, I saw that we are not humans. We are some souls taken as a human. We are
Right,
some
right.
spiritual souls. Actually, it was transformed as a human.
Correct, correct. We are souls living
In a
in the
human
bodies of
body.
humans right now. So we
Yes,
are living in the form of humans, but we are
human. Yes,
souls.
we are souls.
Right.
Yes, we are even
Yes.
spiritual souls.
Correct, correct. Mm,
Okay, ma'am. So,
okay.
what is spirituality, ma'am, in your terms?
I would say that yes, I understand that yes, I am a soul. I have a purpose in life. I should not hurt any other soul. And uh, like life and death, those are just, it's the soul's journey. So every soul is on a different journey. That is what I feel. So sometimes if when we see that she got this, I didn't get this, we should only think that she's on a different journey.
Okay.
She might be coming from a different place, and we are on a different journey. So what we get is meant for us, what they get is meant for them.
Them. Fine, ma'am. Super.
Yes.
And I saw your videos, ma'am, and I saw the comments also. See how Meenu ma'am is creating content for each and every video. From where she has got this content. So how do you do that, ma'am? How do you get content for every video, ma'am? Your video is something special, unique. You stand. And how do you do that?
uh,
How do you get
I
content for that, ma'am?
I don't, I don't plan the content.
Okay.
I just ask questions, spontaneously. So
Okay.
when I speak to someone, those questions come naturally to me. I don't plan the questions. I never write the questions.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So you feel that I note down the questions and I have some questions in my mind.
No, ma'am, not like that. But I thought that you have prepared some content for your session.
Yes, yes. I am thinking of doing that because for a while I have been asking questions just spontaneously, but now I'm thinking of making a few videos in which I plan the questions beforehand to make it
Okay.
more interesting for viewers.
Okay. But it's a very nice, ma'am. It's very, now that spontaneous. It's very, yes, ma'am. Friendly. It's very friendly in nature.
Yeah, some people whom I have conversation with, they ask me, how do you think of all these questions?
Questions, yes.
I say I never think about the questions. I ask them, spontaneously. So
Okay.
sometimes some people note down the questions. One
Ah,
lady was telling me, I note down all the questions you put up so that I can also put up the same questions in the next conversation. I
okay.
told her that I don't plan the questions.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have any questions for me? Because I have been asking so many questions.
You suggest me, ma'am, suggest me how to improve further, ma'am. Not
Okay.
not only for me, for everyone, ma'am, for English learners, how do they improve themselves further?
I would say speaking on audio calls on any free app is also important. So I would suggest talking on free apps every day for 30 minutes. And if anybody can afford the, tutor sessions, then they can take those sessions because speaking is the best thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Speaking is something that will make you fluent.
Okay.
And other than that, other things like, watching English content, listening to English content, reading and writing, those things can be done at home. And reading and writing are also very, very effective. Many people say that, okay, everyone says read and write, but those are really effective.
Mm.
So I tried this exercise. I read a few pages, then I wrote the summary of those pages. That was very effective.
Okay.
So you can try that exercise, that you read a few pages of Alchemist or whatever book you are
Okay.
reading right now. then try to write the summary of it. If you don't want to write on a page, because many people are not habitual of writing on
Writing.
a with pen and paper these days, then you can write on chat gpt or on a notepad and then ask chat gpt to correct the mistakes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that can be done. That is a very effective exercise.
But for that, we need to push ourselves, ma'am. That is
Yes,
not
yes.
happening here.
Right. When we write, then the brain has to process everything what we read, that we read, right? So when we just read, we think that we grasp everything. But when we write, then only we come to know what all we had absorbed.
Yes,
So if we do them both in combination, in conjunction, then it will become more effective.
effective. For that, we need
Right.
to prepare ourselves
Right,
before
right.
doing that.
So tell me, are you using any free app to speak with co-learners every day?
No, ma'am. Recently, I have posted one post, ma'am. In that, my subscribers and Telegram viewers can have a some session with me, like from 11 o'clock to 11:30. So I'm doing that, ma'am. For
Okay,
this
wow,
one
that's
week
great.
is for the 1 week, past 1 week, I'm doing that, and I have some 30 minute session, ma'am. It's free session.
So what is the name of your channel?
Mahalakshmi English Journey.
Mahalakshmi's English Journey.
Journey, yes,
Wow.
ma'am.
I would like to request all the viewers that go and watch her channel. And she has really improved a lot. So you will
Thank you so
definitely
much.
learn something from her channel.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And how did you get this fluency, this comfort, this confidence, ma'am? How long have you been practicing English, ma'am? And I saw your
Uh,
one video with Shanta, ma'am. I was seeing it loop, ma'am. For 2 times, 3 times, I was watching it in a day.
okay, with Shanta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, with Shanta, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That was also a candid conversation. I feel that I help the person open up,
Okay,
which I mean, who with whom I talk. I helped Shanta open up. Normally, she doesn't speak that much.
okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So yeah, um, I have been working on my fluency. I started my job where I was forced to speak English. I think you must be
yes,
aware
I
of
saw
that
that,
because
ma'am.
yeah, that I have told in many interviews. So,
Yes,
in many podcasts. So, there I was forced. So, that started my English speaking journey. And
okay,
after that, I have been practicing on and off. When I was on my job, I did other jobs as well. Then I did a marketing job. First of all, I would like to say that I practiced more on my job. When you are at your workplace, you get a lot of English exposure,
okay,
you get a lot of practice. But even after quitting my job, after my daughter was born, I kept in touch because otherwise I would have lost the fluency. I
okay.
stayed in touch even as a homemaker. So I was a homemaker for around 7, 8 years. At that time, I used to read a lot because I was not interacting with anyone.
Mm,
So I kept in touch. I stayed in touch. I kept practicing English. I used to speak with my husband. I used to speak with customer care and all. I used to read and write. That's how I just, kept practicing English. Otherwise, I would have lost my fluency.
okay,
Whatever we stop doing, we just, stop. We lose the touch. Whenever we lose touch, we become worse at it.
uh,
Isn't it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, we need to
Yes.
be, yes. We need to do something. We need to read or write, listen,
Right.
everything. So, what books would you suggest, ma'am, for for improving their English? Do you have anything?
Current, Currently, I am reading Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I am loving this book. That's a really wonderful book. Um, I can't say about other books because I have been reading newspaper more. I
Oh,
have been reading newspaper more. So I recently started reading books. And the first book is Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, and I am really loving it.
okay, ma'am.
So, yeah, after
Author,
this
ma'am?
book, I will start another one.
Okay, author, ma'am. Who is the author of this book, ma'am?
Author Stephen Covey. Stephen Covey or Stephen Covey, something like that.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. You tell me which all books you have read and which one did you like the most?
I have read The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, The Alchemist, Who Will Cry When You Die, Some Enid Blyton's books, ma'am, like Sudha Smoothie ma'am's book. Now I'm reading one autobiography book, ma'am. I'm going to yet to finish that, just 20 pages more. And after that, I have
Okay.
a plan to read Oliver Twist
Okay. So
and
how long do
Alice
you read
in
in a
Wonderland.
day?
Yes, ma'am. I have finished Alice in Wonderland, some
Okay.
Mahabharata,
Alice in
some kids.
Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland is a book?
Yes, ma'am. It's a book.
Okay, okay. So how long do you read in a day?
Ma'am, it depends, ma'am. Whenever I find times while editing a video, if I get 10 minutes time, I have a book near to me, ma'am. I read. See, this is the book I'm reading
So you
currently,
keep a
ma'am.
book nearby. You
Yes,
keep a book handy.
yes,
Whenever you
ma'am.
get time, you read it.
Yes, before
Okay,
this
okay,
session
okay.
or whenever I edit something, I have the book on near to me, ma'am, and
Okay.
I read it. Otherwise,
Okay.
yes, daily I read it for 10 to 15 minutes, ma'am, before going to bed. That is my habit, ma'am. I need
That's
to read.
wonderful.
I need to read something before going to bed. Otherwise, I will not get sleep.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful. Because when we feed our brain with positive thoughts just before sleeping, we get a sound sleep, and in the morning, our mood is also fresh. And those concepts get logged in our system
Yes,
just before sleeping if we put
yes.
that.
Before starting
Yes.
this book, ma'am, I was struggling. I was struggling to actually pass one more page, ma'am. I was being stuck within the third page. But
Okay.
yes, I mustered my courage to move on. Now I'm going to finish this book. Only 20 pages are there.
Okay. So is this Alchemist?
No, ma'am. No, Alchemist book was over, ma'am. It was over. It's a
Okay. Which one is
autobiography
this?
book, ma'am. Autobiography book.
Okay. 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 Autobiography. Okay.
Yes.
So do you learn new vocabulary from the books when you read?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I have come across so many vocabulary and I have two notes for vocabulary alone, ma'am. I write
Okay.
all the words alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, I write the words and I revise
Okay.
whenever I do some work in kitchen. I don't use mobile there, ma'am. So I take a note there. So while watching on the whenever I boil milk, I take a note there and I revise everything.
So has your milk ever boiled over because of you
No,
being
but
busy with
because
the
of my
words?
husband, it happens every time, but not because of me.
Okay. 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 That's great to
Okay.
know. So, tell me some new words that you learned yesterday,
Yesterday, I have written something, ma'am. Yesterday,
or maybe day before yesterday.
ma'am,
I mean, any new word.
ma'am, desperately, despondently, uh,
Okay.
uh, depleted, perish,
Depleted,
perish, perish,
perish.
perish is
Okay. Okay.
sagacious.
Okay.
I have learned this so many days before, ma'am. Yesterday, I was revising that word,
Mm,
sagacious.
okay. 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 And you have been reading books, so you must be learning some new idioms as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Mm,
Whether the storm,
okay.
whether the storm turned the tables, turned the tables.
Turn the tables.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Bite the
Mm.
bullet, bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet. Correct.
Yes.
Bite the bullet.
Overcome the
Mm.
difficult situation.
Hmm. So now you are completely habitual of living as a homemaker and a YouTuber.
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
don't miss
Yes.
your job, no?
Ma'am?
Now you don't miss your job,
No, no,
right?
ma'am. No, no. I have transformed myself. There is no need of lamenting about my past, ma'am. It is not going
Correct,
to give
correct.
me anything.
Right. Now you live in the present and you are very, very satisfied and content
Yes,
whatever you are doing.
yes. Whatever I have.
Right, right. And now you can make time. I mean, now you can give more time to your children, which also makes you happy.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
when we do something good for our children, that also gives us so much
Yes,
happiness.
ma'am. Correctly said, ma'am. Even I play with my children for 5 minutes, ma'am. That is actually that makes me happy, ma'am.
Yes. So earlier, when you left your job, your younger daughter was 4 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
How old was she?
She was 4 years, 4 years, 4.5 years.
So would she say that, "Mama, don't go today," or like
Yes.
something like that?
Even
Okay,
now, she
she's
doesn't want me to go anywhere, ma'am. I have to be at home before she arrives.
yes,
Now
and
she is
you are with
very
her,
happy, yes, very satisfied that I am at home and I am there
yes,
to take care of her.
right. These 4 5 year olds, they need a lot of attention, and
Attention.
yeah, they need their mother to be around.
Yes, my mother was working, ma'am. Actually, I was longing for her presence when she was working. I used to think, why was she not at home? She went to somewhere to meetings, and who would be there to take care of me? I was thinking like that. So I thought that that should not come to my daughters.
Okay, so when you were little, your mother was working.
Yes, ma'am. She was working. And she
Okay,
used to go for meetings, and she would come at 8 o'clock, and afterwards she did not have the time to talk with us, ma'am. She would be busy in her kitchen feeding us. So yes, my dad, she used to come at 9 o'clock after his
okay, okay,
work.
okay, okay.
So that should
So
not
you have
happen to my daughters. Yes.
right, right, right. So you don't want the same thing to happen with your daughters.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. So
Yes.
I was
Yes.
analyzing all those things before quitting my job. Okay, then my daughters, okay, let them enjoy with their mother. So I actually consoled myself and quit it, ma'am. Even if
Yeah.
you ask me now, are you ready to go from tomorrow? Yes, I would say that yes, I am ready to go for my job.
Okay. So you want to go to your job. You are missing it.
Yes, ma'am, I'm missing it, but I'm not worrying about it.
Right, right, right. Yeah, women's career is also important, but you know, they should do something in such a way that they can stay close to the children, and there should be such an arrangement that one parent can at least stay with the children,
Yes,
because they also need some safety. Children can feel safe,
safety.
comfortable in their presence.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
need them to be around even if they are not talking to us.
Yes, correctly said, ma'am. Correctly said. I can actually
Mm.
feel that, ma'am, with my daughters.
Right. Yes. And you are happy because otherwise, maybe you would have repented later. You would have regretted later that I didn't give them time when they needed me the most.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Yes. Now, with the YouTube channel, you can give them a lot of time and you can pursue your career as well.
Yes, ma'am. I am doing my
Yes.
MA, ma'am, English.
That's great. That's great. So
Thank
I
you.
wouldn't say that women should give up their career. They should definitely pursue their career, but in such a way that they can be with their children as well.
Mm. Correct. Our presence is very important, ma'am. Especially
Actually,
for,
our presence means the world to them.
yes.
Yes, that's everything for children.
Yes, you actually
They
after the
don't
correct
just
word.
they don't just need food and shelter. They need our presence.
Presence,
They need love.
love.
Yes,
Yes.
right. So
Okay.
you can even give online classes. Are you giving classes?
No, ma'am, I have a plan to do, ma'am. Ma'am, we have less than
Yeah.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. Okay then, Mahalakshmi. It was a lovely